Wow. Oh.
That nice.
Oh, lovely. He's holding it. What did you find?
For me.
It says to always wash my hands. How can I do this outside?
How can you do it outside?
I know.
The tap. Woohoo! Mom, Ben. I was full of sand. Anybody check underneath it? Right, read it out.
Mark on the tree, you will find me.
I like.
I like to travel.
Go.
I'm a real rabbit, but only come to life in the world of the sea.
Ben and Luke. Oh, look at Luke walking backwards. Woohoo! Let yourself down and relax. Poor Ben. Oh my God. You have to search all the chairs. What happened? Oh, for daisies. Right, Molly.
Holly Molly.
Take it up and we'll. Oh, we'll show you.
Christina, you get.
Oh, yeah.